Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best kitchen knives that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Kitchen Knives. A kitchen, whether in a home or cafe, is incomplete with a collection of good knives. Due to the variety of stuff to be cut, chop, and slice, it is essential nowadays to have the best kitchen knife for a variety of purposes. This is irrespective of whether you are a rare cook or have the smallest kitchen. A good kitchen knife makes preparation quicker and tends to last for several. Number 5. Guns Multi-Purpose Kitchen Knife Set. It has a slightly curved blade that is perfect for most cooking tasks that include chopping and mincing. Carving knife is made in more flexible and more rigid. Main features: made of high stainless steel material, corrosion-resistant coating, ultra-sharp knife. Number 4. Victorinox Kitchen Knife Swiss-made vegetable cutting. Capable of mincing, peeling and cutting, these household knives are for both professional chefs and at-home cooks. They are also conveniently compact and easy to use. Main features: stainless steel blade, comfortable grip, dishwasher safe. Number 3. Peplo Knife Dishwasher Safe Stainless Steel Kitchen Knife. The handle are made from highly quality stainless steel. The non-slip kitchen knife handle is a great helper for anti-slip even your hand. Main features: ergonomically shaped handle, multifunctional knife, ultra-sharp edge. Number 2. Silver Shark Kitchen Knife Stainless Steel Carving. While knives are dishwasher safe, we still recommend hand washing as dishwashers are designed to spray water at a relatively high pressure and cause the knives to collide. Main features: extra hardened blade, long-lasting edge, and its slip handle. Number 1. Solimo Premium Kitchen Knife Set 4 pieces with sharpener silver. The professional quality knives feature durable stainless steel blades that resist staining and comfortable grip handles for safe, efficient use. Main features: high carbon stainless steel blades, triple rivet handles, comfortable grip. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.